Hello teacher, this is my activity about related clothes. My best friends. She is Judalyn, who is my best friend. I remember the day when we met. She was at the school that is near our house and we were new students. This is the place where our friendship was born. Actually, my best friend who is in the photo is my college. My social networking. Facebook, which is my favorite social networking, is very interesting. Also, this is a form of entertainment. Actually, we have 588 people added in the social networking. My my friends when I was growing up. There are my friends. Whose names are Juana, Daisy, Rosa, and Juliet. They are I went in my school. I had few friends because it was very shy. Those were the people who would want I live my infancy. Andres is the girl that is in the photo. She has an exciting life. The reason why I think it is because she is a good teacher and she travels and every moment. It is something that really makes me happy. Thank you.